For most people, attending a 9-to-5 job, spending 8 hours or more at work, and then going home can be a little tiring and boring when done repeatedly in a cycle. After 2 weeks, you receive your salary from your job, but before you can even enjoy the money, you find yourself running out of it because of all the bills you need to pay. If you're one of the people who live paycheck to paycheck every time, a good solution to your problem is to earn more money. But what if you don't have enough time to earn on the side? Well, if you really aspire to break free from your paycheck to paycheck life and want to pursue a life with better financial situation, then you need to earn passive income. We're here to help. Hi, welcome to Grayson Finance. For today's video, I'm gonna guide you on how to make money while you sleep in 2022. If you aspire to become rich, your paycheck from your 9-to-5 job will never be enough for you to achieve that dream. Working hard from sunrise until sundown will not guarantee that you will earn the good amount of money that you need to reach your financial goals. To be able to achieve that dream, you will need to earn money even when you're fast asleep. That might be a little confusing to hear at first since no one is able to work while sleeping, but let me explain. There are usually two types of people in the world. The first one is the type of person who exchanges their time for money. And the last one is a type of person that is able to make money even when they don't put in the time. For this video, I'm going to focus on teaching you the ways to master passive income for you to be able to earn money while you're sleeping. To a lot of people, the only way they can think of earning money is by active income, which means attending a job 8 hours a day and going home in a repeated cycle. Most people who think this way are influenced by their parents, family members, and friends because that's what they also believe in. The belief may be rooted in the past, as it is true that attending a 9-to-5 job before is one of the only ways to earn money. However, in this modern age that we live in, with the presence of the internet accessible to almost anyone, digital assets can be acquired and can make you earn more money 24 hours a day, even when you sleep. Passive income, however, is not really that easy to master and profit from, especially in businesses. You will still need to invest a good amount of your time to be able to make a profit from it. Most people are hesitant to invest the needed amount of effort and time for passive income. For those who choose to invest, however, the payoff will be guaranteed to be good and sweet. To guide you into successfully earning passive income, I'm going to show you 5 methods to make money while you sleep. Method number 1. Start a business of your own. There are 2 important things you need to remember in starting a business of your own. First, your business doesn't need to be complex. Second, your business can be a way to make passive income. At first, when you start your business, of course, you will need to exert time, effort, and money to make it flourish. But once it gets successful, you need not do the same hard work further while the business still generates income monthly. While you may not earn millions of dollars from your business, you will be able to live a comfortable life. One of the most important keys to generating a passive income is using the time and expertise of other people. In your business, you need to hire someone who is an expert in management related to the field your business is in. Let's take, for example, if you want to have a blog and make it an asset to generate your passive income, you need someone like a website manager to manage your blog with expertise in SEO, design, and content. By hiring someone proficient in the field, you will be able to have more time free to yourself and be able to leverage someone else's skills related to the field. Not everyone, however, can be able to start a business. This is because if you want to start your own business, you will need to take risks and persevere, as it is expected that most businesses that are new fail within the first years of operating. Method number 2. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be one of the best ways to generate money from passive income. There comes good money in a loyal audience that you will build once your channel goes off. YouTube channels can be a powerful tool for generating a good amount of money. If we take, for example, that you have 100,000 subscribers, while you think that achieving this may become a very hard and far-fetched dream, it is actually quite attainable. In the 2020s, 60,000 channels gathered more than 100,000 subscribers. In your channel, you can earn ad revenue while offering a course you can sell for $100. If you're able to sell that course to at least 100 people in your channel, then you will have $10,000 earnings with average annual earnings of $120,000. Depending on what channel you will be starting, however, YouTube can be anything but a passive income. YouTube is just one tool that, when used correctly, will be able to earn a good amount of money even while you sleep. Method number 3. Start offering online courses. Even when most formal degrees nowadays aren't really that much helpful in your path to building up your wealth, education is still very much helpful, as the more knowledge you learn, the better in life. During this information age, learning can be taken outside the classroom and can be accessed conveniently on gadgets. With this, an opportunity arises in making money through the form of coaching and private programs in the field of your expertise. In order to get a platform to promote your coaching and private programs to people, you can manage a YouTube account with content related to the field you are coaching about. Platforms like this can be very convenient, as most of the work will be automated. The contents of the YouTube channel can be free while traffic is being directed to the channel. The private coaching courses will then be promoted to the platforms, and once people sign up for them, they will automatically be able to access more helpful and specialized content needed to succeed in the field. This method will be ideal if you're running an online business because you will be only working once, and that is when you're preparing for the content of the course. After that, you would only need to monitor and do minor fixes as you go along the business. This means that it only requires you to exert a little time and effort on your business in its early stages, and this will enable you to earn money even while you're sleeping. Number 4. Start an e-commerce shop. Generating passive income is possible in e-commerce through an online store. Dropshipping can be the best example of this. In dropshipping, you will need to create an online store that offers and displays products from certain manufacturers. When a customer visits your website and orders a product, the system will then pass this order to the manufacturer, and the latter completes the order and ships the product directly to the customer. That will then be the point that you collect your profit. One of the perks of starting this business is that you wouldn't need to order inventory, which means a significantly lower initial cost. This lowered initial cost will enable you to start this e-commerce shop, even when you have a little money. Setting up a shop can also be very inexpensive through the use of Shopify. Shopify charges only $30 a month, which makes you very capable of opening a shop of your own. Once you are able to successfully set up your store, the processes involved can be completely automated. This means that you will be able to earn money even while you're dreaming. And lastly, method number 5. Start your real estate investment. Real estate rentals are a good generator of passive income. It is a basic need of people to have somewhere to live, and it is inevitable in life to have some place to work. In your real estate investment, if you're able to get a long-term rental, you will be able to secure a tenant, and that enables you to earn money while doing something else you like. There can be some minor work in the form of maintenance in real estate, but income will most of the time be passive. You can even make it fully passive if you hire a property manager. Just make sure that there is a sufficient positive cash flow. If you think, however, that real estate is too much for you, you can always try investing in REIT. Real Estate Investment Trust, or REIT in short, involves being a partial owner of a private real estate bond. It can also be considered a mutual fund for real estate investing. You can own a REIT by buying stocks. Owning stocks from the REIT means that you will have a share in the profit of the real estate investment. The perks of investing in REIT are that you can invest in real estate without experiencing the hassle of being a property owner. These hassles can be in the form of property maintenance, dealing with tenants, and more. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to press like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated on new helpful videos.